I hope I can kind of inspire a new generation of girls to go out and ride and show that it is 100% possible. I love it. Oh my gosh. This is what I love and what I love to do, and my family supports me all the way, and I'm just so grateful to Ducati and Ducati USA for allowing me to be here and to experience something like this. I mean, there's nothing like it. I had a great time, like the first corner, you know, getting my knee to the ground. I was like, oh wow, so we're ready to go. We're on the GP bike, and this thing is going to be fun. I almost was getting a little emotional when I was coming back to the pit lane because, you know, when you're 3 years old wanting to be a motorcycle rider, you want to go to MotoGP. Wow. I was like smiling the whole time. I don't even have words. It was just amazing. I knew from when I was 3 years old this is what I wanted to do, and it was going to take sacrifice.
My name is Kayla Yaakov, and I'm a 19-year-old professional motorcycle racer.